Hey loves, Lana here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Here you see me massaging cuticle revitalizer oil with aloe vera from Jewhiteny into the nail I had just got done installing during my unboxing video. Keep on the lookout for the video. I will be uploading on Fridays, so don't forget to turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. Let me know in the comments what you would be interested in seeing next, or me trying out, and I'll do my best to follow through. Just trying to get it into focus so you can see it clearly, and there we go. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great day and be safe.